Introducing the Great Dane Champion CL Heater Van, one of the most popular and well-made heater vans on the market. So, why is that the case? Let's take a look. This unit is 13 feet 6 inches high, 53 feet long, and over 102 inches wide, the perfect size for a majority of industries. The roof and side sheet material are aluminum, and it comes with Bridgestone Ecopia tires and Wabco anti-lock brakes. The exterior lights are Algrodi LED, and it comes with Micronova dot lamps. Walk ramps and lift gates are available, such as the Roll-O-Matic Lift Assist rear ramp, which easily slides in and out and extends up to 16 feet. Its lightweight construction gives it a base weight of 13,340 pounds, and it's insulated with block foam on the front, sides, and roof. Great Dane's PunctureGuard lining makes this van extremely resistant to delamination and sudden impact, and its floors are made with a 1.38-inch thick laminated hardwood. The side Scuffbands provide additional sidewall protection, with this particular model coming with 12-inch PunctureGuard Scuffbands. This unit will be set up with a Carrier Solara Heater engineered specifically for transporting temperature-sensitive products in the coldest conditions. It produces up to 50,000 BTU of heat an hour and 3,500 CFM of airflow to create total protection from freezing regardless of the thickness of your trailer walls. On top of that, the easily accessible servicing points reduce the time and cost of maintenance significantly in case anything should happen to your heater. These are just some of the key features that come with a Great Dane Champion CL heater van, making it ideal for the food industry in Canada and the northern US. For more information on this unit or to buy or lease your own, make sure to stop by your closest Maxim truck and trailer or visit us at maximinc.com.